Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing quite well, and today I have a personal size rewind plan with me. So I'm going to be doing the week of Mother's Day, which is May 7th through the 13th. You guys didn't see me plan this week in my Erin Condren. I used this really pretty kit called Life's a Peach that was a printable that Miss Anna from A Loves 22 sent me. Hi Anna. So I wanted to kind of mix it up and do a memory spread. I haven't done one of these in a little bit, and I feel like this is the opportune week to do it because it ended up being a really quiet week, but at the same time it was a very heartfelt week for my kids. So that segue done. I'm going to be using this rose washi from Little Bee and this glitter washi as headers from there's a piece of fuzz floating. Where is it coming from? Okay, I think I got it. Sorry. This is from Target, and oh, it wasn't even floating. It was attached to the little tape cutter on the Little Bee washi. So yeah, this is from Target a while ago from the dollar spot. It's just a gold glitter. It's a non-shedding one, which I really love, and it's just like the perfect tone of gold. So we're going to be bringing in gold, obviously. And then the inserts that I use are from Stick With Me shop. She has a drop box on some of her really old personal planner spreads, where you can download these and you can print them two-sided. Because I use these like memory keeping, I really enjoy these. I'm sure there's a lot of shops out there that sell printables. I know that you can get like printed ones from So Much Crafting and things like that. So I'm using some leftover stickers from JB Planning, which great news, she's back open, thank goodness, because what were we gonna do without her? But yeah, this is a kit that she sent out, I think, to just her PR girls, and I got it in a D-stash from Chloe Sherwood, and I've mentioned her over here on this channel like multiple times. But anyway, she's PRing for her again, which is awesome. So I don't know if she's PRing for her, but I think she has a code. Don't shoot me if I'm wrong. But I'll leave Anna and Chloe linked down below. So what was left over is the first page with like some odd sidebar headers, some coffee cups, some little dinner forks, checklists, and you know, number dates, which obviously the week I'm doing have been used. And then we have a quarter box and an ombre box, a lot of washi and flags, and then this really pretty deco half boxes, lots of half boxes, little things, and then some mini checklists, and then just some functional icons. So obviously I'm going to be pulling in a lot of things for this spread, and I am completely okay with that. So I'm going to fast forward this because I feel like I'm already out of breath because I'm so excited to get into this, and check out all the links down below in the description box, and I'll talk to you guys again at the end. So here we go. and I love how it came out. I think that it was a beautiful kit, and I was able to use like a lot of freebies. So there was Sahili Designs, DEK Designs, or Plan to Be Fab, Sweet RT, Watercolor Blooms, Sarah Elizabeth Prince, Tassel Planner. If you have any questions about any of the stickers, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I still have a bunch of this kit left over, so that's always fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye.